Have you paused to look at who you're doing your business with? Have you looked at the buy-in and the connectivity that you have in your team? Because by and large, those are places where you may not recognize there's an impact to the flow and energy that is moving through your business. I have created this incredible program called Catapult. It is my signature system that I use to support business leaders. And what we do across Catapult's components is first start with looking at the foundation of the business, and we look at your mindset. We look to gain clarity about how you see and have structured yourself, your relationship to your business. Once you do that work, you begin to explore the foundation and identify what you're building upon. What are the principles that you've created for this business? And how do you evaluate those relationships? As you identify the places within yourself, and then throughout your structure, your strategy, and the people that you bring into your business, you will be able to pinpoint the things that need to shift to shore up the foundation so that you can win in 2025. And if you're ready to learn how to define those and to stand boldly in them, especially during times of uncertainty, which we will experience in 2025 and beyond, then click the link below. And I'd love you to join us on this journey.